So hello everybody, and I'm back again. As I told, every Sunday I will be posting new videos. So I am again back with a new video. Today we will be learning what is coding in deep. So you can see this whole screen here. So all these we are gonna do today. So first of all, coding is a language for computers for making apps. Types of coding: we have Scratch, C++, JavaScript, and Python. Two types of code formats are block coding and text coding. C++, JavaScript, and Python are text coding, and Scratch is block coding. So today we are going to also make an app. Okay. So some rules for the app is define the purpose of the app. First you need to define the purpose of that app. Then we have design the app, code the app, and run the app. Designing the app, coding the app, and then checking if it's working properly. Today's app is background color changer. Okay, so I'll just show you. So these are the blocks. Okay, so I'm doing it to studio.code.org. These are the blocks which we are going to use for block coding. So you see code, design, and data. So first we're going for design. In design, we have button, label, text input, drop down. We have everything which is needed to become a successful app. So for background color changer, let's define the purpose. The purpose of the color changer app is that it should change the background color of the screen to whatever color we set. So first we'll add a button. So ID is the identity of the button. I'm going to keep it as button 1. The text means inside you see it's written button. We're going to cut it and we're going to write click to change. So next go for the code. So first I'll put an on event. Now what is on event? I'll tell everything. So first let's go to this picture. So this is English to computer language. So code the app. On event button 1 click. See, I have button 1 in my thing. So that's the first button. So it's button 1. On event button 1 click means when button 1 is clicked. That's easy. So not this actually. This maybe. Where did I go? Yeah. When button 1 is clicked. Okay. So next let's go for the image again. So next we're gonna put set property. So set property means change. The ID will be screen color to, because you have to change the screen color. Okay. So I'll go to my project again. I'll go down. It's down. So I'll go for set property. This ID I'll put to screen 1 because we are changing. So whatever place we are changing, that will be our ID. Okay. So when button 1 will be clicked, and what should happen when button 1 will be clicked? Answer means question your mind. What should happen? This screen color should change, isn't it? So now you can see width and 100. But when you go here, you can see background color, image, and icon color. Why? Because you can't change the width and height of a screen. You can change the color, you can change the image, and you can change the icon color. Okay, so I'll put in background color. See, it's red. We can put anything. We can put red, blue, green, or RGB. We are not going to go to RGB statements now. So first maybe I want to choose green. Okay, so let's go for run. Click to change. See, the background became green. Okay, so reset, run. I'm gonna again show run. Click to change. Now let's see if we covered all the topics. Purpose of the app, we covered it. Designing the app, covered it. coding the app, covered it, and running the app, covered it. So all of the steps we have covered it. So well done to everybody, well done to me. So one more thing I want to share is the person who gives the instruction is called the coder or the programmer. So see, the app is useless if you don't give code in it, if you don't design it, and like that. So what can you do is just revise everything. I'm just gonna keep it here. If you want, you can note it down, or just keep it in your mind. So I hope it's done. So now yeah, I'll just close this. So what did we cover today? In all the classes we finished, we are gonna do this. What did we cover today? First thing we covered, so I'm just gonna close everything. So let's see how much do we have in our minds. First thing we covered, first think. So I'm gonna tell now. So first thing we covered is what is coding. Coding is a language. Next thing we covered is think. Next thing we covered is types of coding. So what did we cover in types of coding? We covered there was 4 types of coding. There's Scratch, then there is C++, and then there is what else? Even I forgot. See. So then we have C++, then we have Scratch, then we have JavaScript and Python. Okay, so these are the 4 types of coding. Now, next, what did we learn? So next we learned about the coding formats. Okay, so we learned that there are 2 types of coding formats: block coding and text coding. So until now we covered 3. Let's go for the next one. We learned that what are the steps to make a successful app. So what are the 4 steps? Design the app, define the purpose of the app rather first, design the app, code the app, and run the app. Okay, so all those things in your mind. Next we have what else? We created an app called Background Changer. So in that app we saw how to change the background, we saw how to change the background, and we saw what is on event block, what is set property block, and all of them. Okay, so I'll put some resource pictures and videos in the description and in the comment box so that everybody can take it as their reference. And yeah, so that's it for today. Surely like and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries about anything, please let me know in the comment box. I'll surely reply to that. Bye.